Okay, so hey guys and welcome back to Declutch, back with another video. So in today's video I'm gonna be reviewing my particular gloves that I've been using from almost 2 years. So yeah, speaking about the gloves, the one which I've been using is the TVS Racing riding gloves, which costed me close to 2000. So it was 1799 specifically. Before starting the review of that, do let me know in the comment section which angle of the camera is looking good. So whether it is the ultra wide mode or the just wide mode, which comes by default in the DJI Osmo Action Cam. So you can just take a reference of my previous videos where you can see that I have been shooting the videos in wide mode, and this particular video is in the ultra wide mode. So yeah, speaking about the gloves, before I purchased this particular gloves, I was using the Pro Baker gloves, which would come around like 300 change, 350. That was a pretty decent gloves, but I wanted to upgrade from them. And then back in the time when I was looking to upgrade, I had two options in my mind. One was this particular TVS Racing gloves, and the other, which almost was in the same price bracket of 2000, that is the Axos Spider gloves. So talking about the Axos Spider gloves, that was a kind of fake leather, I would say, and it was also a full, not a full gauntlet, but it was a half gauntlet. And yeah, that particular Axos Spider gloves was a semi gauntlet gloves. Oh, I even need to refuel the bike. So yeah, then why did I choose this over the Axos gloves? Personally, for me, I felt that this looked more appealing with the color scheme, that is black and red. Although even Axos Spider comes with both black and red and the black and neon color, but this felt more appealing to me. And then yeah, this particular one also has a advantage, which is, okay, I guess I'm already running in the reserve. So yeah, in this particular gloves, if you see in the left hand side here, there is a rubber part which will be helpful while you are basically riding in rain or some drizzling, because when there are water droplets on the visor, you can just make use of this rubber to wipe it out. Not only water droplets, but any insects which keep hitting when you're on highways. Yeah, those kind of scenarios, this really helps. Coming to okay, talking about the safety, this comes with this some kind of a knuckle guard. I am not sure what grade it is, but then yeah, it just does the job, nothing else. Yeah, and in terms of comfort and fit and finish, oh, this is in top notch quality. I haven't faced any issues till now. And I wouldn't say this to be a all weather gloves, because this isn't waterproof. So not being waterproof, that means in the rain you are going to face some issues. Let me just pass this first. Yeah, so I have been using this even in the rainy weather conditions, but then the problem is it wouldn't dry as fast as it can. So it tends to keep up the wet nature for a long time once it is drained. So once it gets wet, this takes time to get dried up. But then if it is not continuous rainfall, then obviously in the ride itself that you are on the highways, it tends to get dried up. So that is good part, not completely, but yeah, you can use it to that extent at least. So that was it about the features. And then yeah, I am pretty much satisfied with this gloves for the amount that I have paid. But if I am in market today to look for a gloves and I had the same price bracket, I would definitely not go with the TVS riding gloves, because there are a lot many better options. Let me just overtake this first. So So yeah, there are a lot many options available in market in that particular price range right now, and also if you can slightly extend your price range to another 1,000 more, you will get even more good NOx protected. I mean, the NOx armors or something which comes near the palm, so that would make even more justifying for the price that you pay. So this was it about my opinion or my personal review of using this particular gloves for almost 2 years now, and I wouldn't say that it has started showing its age, because other than this knuckle part where the fake leather or that particular skin treatment is getting worn out, there is no other problem with the stitches as specifically. So yeah, it is a good loss, but to the in the price range of 2,000 currently, this wouldn't make much sense, is what I believe. Wow, people here itself are crowded, and then there are people who come from the opposite side. Why, buddy? Wow. Thanks for the content, though. Man, this is a place where I get content regularly. So if you have seen my other videos, that is the only place where I got where I get good views. So wear a helmet at least, man.